What's up, everybody? Quick shout out to my friends at Body Symmetry MD in Atlanta. Let me tell you my symptoms. About a year and a half ago, I was experiencing insomnia, weight loss, chronic pain, just general low level of energy, which is not normal for me. And been to my doctor, did blood tests, tried different things, and the best that mainstream traditional medicine could do for me was pills, from Ambien to help with sleep, hydrocodone to help with pain, Xanax, whatever. And I'm not about all that, and it was just getting worse. My bone density, my ability to build muscle around my joints. I have osteoarthritis. I've had 13 surgeries over the years, which really limited me. And if you're not feeling good, if your energy's not right, if you're, especially chronic pain, which affects your sleep and your appetite, it affects everything: your relationships, your job, your work, your life. And so I'd pretty much resigned myself to, I'm just gonna have to live with it because I can't do that medication. And I looked up an old buddy of mine, Nick Jones, and we hadn't talked in a long time, and I saw him on Facebook, and I was just like, man, what's up, Nick? And he hit me back, and I said, what are you doing nowadays? And he told me about Body Symmetry, and I was like, man, what's that all about? And he started asking questions. He said, come and see me. And he introduced me to a friend of his, Anthony Brumfield. And together they started talking about a specific plan. And first of all, they had to test, do an extensive blood work to find out about nutrients and vitamins, and especially hormones. And it asked me if I'd ever really had that checked. And I said, doctor said it was acceptable levels, which turns out to be really low. And so, acceptable to who? Wasn't acceptable to me. And so they did the blood work up, and then they walked me through and they showed me all the different things that chemistry in your body affects. And it opened my eyes, and they put me on a specific regimen that was, tailored for me. And over the past year, everything's changed. Back in the gym, feeling good, feeling like myself, sleeping better, appetite, weight gain, relationship good, just the different things, but especially my joints and my bones and my muscular skeleture, or whatever you call it. You can tell I'm not a doctor. But anyway, it made a huge difference, and I've become friends with those guys. And Nick, he has his own shop over in Sandy Springs. Anthony, I go see him over off of Medlock Bridge there at Peachtree Corners, and I just recommend these guys. It really changed my life. Plus, they're just fun. I like going to see them. So anyway, if you're experiencing things, male or female, any of these symptoms that might be affecting you, don't give up and think outside the box a little bit. Give these guys a call, Body Symmetry MD, and maybe they'll hook you up like they did me. But until I see you again, peace out. Be the change you wish to see in the world today. Peace.